Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Shortcuts, so open it now and tap the plus sign to create a new shortcut. You need the target app installed and updated because Shortcuts only exposes compatible actions when the app supports them. This is why updating helps. Once the blank shortcut appears, tap Add Action and search the app name. You'll see app-specific actions or the generic Open App action. Make sure to pick the correct app entry. That choice determines how the shortcut will run. Next, choose whether you need an app-specific action or simply Open App. If the app provides actions, select the one that matches your goal, send data, start media, or trigger a workflow. Configure inputs, attach text, a URL, or set a variable. This is where you map what the app should receive. Once configured, tap the play icon to test the action in the editor. If it behaves as expected, continue. If not, adjust inputs or choose a different action. To finish, give the shortcut a clear name and customize the icon so you recognize it on your home screen. Then use Share and Add to Home Screen to create an app-like icon. You can also add a Siri phrase or turn this into an automation for scheduled triggers. If something breaks, make sure the app and iOS are updated, remove and re-add the action, or fall back to Open App. This resolves most compatibility issues. If needed, test again and adjust permissions for the target app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.